happy. Yeah, if they're happy, we're happy. So I had a call Friday, saying if I wanted to come in on Wednesday, Thursday to start training as the Dodgems host, of course. Which I was like, oh yes please, a new skill completely, which would be brilliant. Love the Dodgems, because I remember during last season's pre-season I had to be at the Dodgems quite a few times just to help send cycles so people can get trained and shit. But yeah, can't wait. Really can't wait. So the rides that I think have back are Dodgems, Swarm, and I think there's one it might be Walking Dead. I can't confirm. Obviously we know nothing about the Walking Dead because it's inside. So yes, but that's the good news. The sad but more, I don't know, most people had opinions about it, but finally revealed that Black Mirror has finally left us after 3 of the 4 seasons it was due to be operating. It's leaving us a season early, which is I guess it's a shame and it's not at the same time. But hey ho. Like I said, some people had their opinions on it, some people hated it, some people liked it. I was probably the ones who were in the middle. I liked it and I hated it. It wasn't great. I think if you'd done it a few times, then you'd probably know what would happen, where you go, and so on and so forth. So you can probably see now at the Hyperia site, not a lot is actually going on, apart from seeing the lift hill, which is just brilliant to see. We've been waiting months and months for that to go up, and Thursday was the day, and Friday. I know Jack was down here yesterday taking pics for the Thorpe Park Annual Pass group, because he does that. So yeah, brilliant to see. The console is in. It's not in place, but it is in the console, as in the cabin, which again is brilliant to see. I think I saw there's an accessible lift that they've finally added, which is good. I was thinking, how are they going to add a lift? But they've somehow done it. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything is actually happening. I heard a digger down by the bottom of the site coming off, but not a lot is actually happening today. I wouldn't be surprised if they got a day off today and come back and do more tomorrow. Because if I have a look on the rock, on the thing, and see no one's here, then yeah. But it was worth the trip, worth to see the lift hill. I think drive tyres have gone in place for the lift, which is great to see. Oh, someone's added an extra bit of rock. Oh, okay. So the Samurai's now up and, shall we say, available. Oh, okay, someone's actually fitted a bit of wood. Oh my god, that's incredible. I will show you guys. Someone has added a bit of wood so that you can just get that bit more of a feeling. But let me just turn the camera around and I'll show you. So I'm guessing if it wasn't for the tree just here, you'd see that they've kind of completed that side of the panelling for the operator, and there is the lift hill. As I suspected earlier, no one is actually here. There might be down that end of the site. I might be completely wrong. It is so quiet here. So, as you can see in that shot, not a lot is really happening today. I think they deserve a break because they're working non-stop to get this coaster up and running, which will be brilliant. Now the other thing is, I don't know, but they'll bring the train in this end, so they'll bring it in here and bring it backwards, and somehow it will get lifted, or it will go on a bit of track and they push it, or I don't know, but I can't wait to see the trains. I've heard that they've got colour on them, and they're still in Germany, so hopefully really soon they'll get shipped from Germany to here and then shipped to here, which will be brilliant. Obviously I'm going in Wednesday and Thursday, so maybe I'll be able to see some stuff in the staff car park that you guys can't really get access to because it's for us. I'm just having a quick walk down towards Inferno, seeing if anything's happening. If not, I'll head back to the lake, take a good picture of the view, and wrap it up, because to be honest, not a lot is actually happening. Well, nothing is happening at this point. I think I'll come down tomorrow. So I think Dom and a few others are coming down tomorrow. And yes, I was messaging one of the guys yesterday, who's actually working on the project. And I asked how easy is putting up the lift hill, and this person was like, it's pretty easy. You just put the track in, supports beside it, and just repeat the process, which clearly sounds pretty easy. So yes, but now heading over or past Inferno. I've noticed the last time that I was down here, which was Thursday, that the water dummies have now disappeared from the bottom of the station. So maybe that'll be ready for testing this week. So I'll give you a rundown of things that could or couldn't be ready for opening. So we'll have dodgems, swarm. Swarm is apparently for when we test, we'll be on one train for now. Teacups is ready. Hopefully fish. Not sure about tidal wave. Hopefully Inferno, and that will have 2 coasters instead of the big 6. Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 if you count flying fish. So the big 7, which will be good. Apparently Rumba's going to be late. Stealth is going to be late, but not as late as some people are saying. They were just waiting on a part. They've got the part. They just need to fit the part and test Stealth to make sure that it's okay. What else is there? Colossus is going to be late. DC, depth charge, that's ready. That's green carded. What else? Not sure about Storm Surge. I'll head back. Rumba boats. As they now have covers on, surprisingly. Storm Surge, I don't know. High Striker, that'll be ready. That is ready. Vortex, I think, will be ready. Yeah, it will be ready. Rush. Hopefully Walking Dead. Oh wait, hold on. Walking Dead. Swarm. I'm doing it in the wrong order completely. So, Swarm, Stealth, Inferno, Colossus, Saw, Hyperia, Walking Dead. What am I missing? Fish. I think. Stealth, Inferno, Saw, Colossus, and Swarm. Now plus Hyperia, Walking Dead, and fish. Yeah, 8. So the big 8 this year. And at least 3 Swarm, Walking Dead, fish, Inferno. 4 of the 8 will probably be ready on time. Yeah, I'm trying to think what else could be ready. Rush. I said Rush. Colossus is going to be late. Saw. Oh, maybe not. That might be late. Anyway, hopefully the park will let us know if there's going to be a pass holders day. I know we got a press event on the 13th of March, which is coming around the corner pretty quickly, and only now we're going in for training, because apparently they want all the big coasters testing, including Hyperia, which we know won't be the case. Yeah, which is a shame, but it'll be what it will be. So I will head down to the lake, take a good shot, and probably head home. So it's time to try not to fall on my face in this very slippery and boggy mud. Head down to the lake. So for your guys' benefits, I'll explain everything. So recently we've only just been given the rides, some rides back anyway. So Swarm, Dodgems, I think Saw's going back, Depth Charge, High Striker, Teacups, not sure about Inferno, Colossus is going to be late, obviously Saw cannot run when they are at the tall, at quite high points of the lift hill, just due to the nature of the ride really. Fish will probably be ready for opening, Rush, Vortex, hopefully Walking Dead. I'm trying to think of a few others. If I've missed them, let me know, and I can let you know what's happening with them. Samurai's probably going to be late. I think only now they're starting to paint it. I can't properly see it from here, but it's up and it's pretty much in its resting position, ready to run, just with what look to be bags over its seats. So I think they are starting to paint it finally, which is great. So yeah, I'll give you all of that for now, and if you want any more details, just let me know. Okay, and there we have it. Another Monks update, Hyperia update, rides update, shall we say. So, yes, I think I will head back to the car and get a hot chocolate, because it's cold. But please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry it's a bit of a long one today, but it kind of explains everything that's going on currently with the park. And yeah, so thanks again guys. I will probably see you tomorrow. Take it easy.